何か要求してるの。
千日切ってんの？さっきのリップクリームどうした？
お願いします。
the guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn. I've nothing, I've her rolling and you don't, but all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love and only stole me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to a room, a full front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, but then we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other. Dating is the goal. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like
totally nervous.
escape from the loop. Sometimes I feel that you are
カボス
falling
ポン
out
酢
of planet.
これ使うでしょ、キノコに。これもカボスポン酢。
あと初めての
初めてのジョジョ園ね。でもこれ味付いてるんだよね。プルコギとポークとハラミ。美味しそう。ハラミ。ハラミ美味しそう。さあ、お疲れ様。美味しい。
Make fun of me while I make fun of you, but we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different kind of love. A different kind of love. A different kind of love.
マッシュルームいただきます。
I went with my mom to that old time show. I asked her, please, mother, can I have a popsicle? She said, honey, you're sweet. Give me chocolate cake. I'll get you one later. We're gonna be late. It's a cucumber cake. As the crowd started clapping, we were already out. And as the snack bar was closing, I was bursting into tears. She said, honey, you're a sweetie, you're my apple pie. I'll get you one later, don't be such a hater.